July the 1st, Canada Day, 2018. Approaching the Hidden Valley from the southern part. And there's the first sign of Casper's favorite wallow, especially improved, at least for these conditions, to make it just a lovely doggy pool. Welcome to the Hidden Valley. Always better in the rain when there is less contrast. There's Mary's Trail up to the upper loop, connector of all trails. The South Valley, no, the Yellow Jacket Trail, I'm sorry. That's the road to the South Valley Trail down there. Hidden Valley Trail. Okay. And the moss is just as vibrant in the dead of winter.
1 hour, 30 minutes. Completed. You covered 658 meters.
That's my new tracking program. Now we're heading toward Cindy's Trail. And this windfall is getting ever lower, which means it's time to get out the big saw. I'm not too old to get under this thing. Put my backpack on. All right. We'll just get up over this little knoll here. That is another link to the Yellow Jacket Trail. And we'll just stop her here, I think. Just love these big trees. Thank you, Florence.